Right, so for those of you wanting Apple to build their own metaverse, that won't be the case according to Mark Gurman. So let's delve into this new report. But first, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. And with that being said, let's just talk in. Right, so Mark Gurman gives us some pretty interesting tidbits regarding the launch of Apple's new headset. So he says his source pretty directly told him that Apple has no plans to create a metaverse for their new headset. In fact, Gurman says he'll be shocked to hear the word on stage, and so yeah, this headset is not going to be a way to escape from the real world, much like Facebook markets their headset. Instead, Apple's focus is going to be for bursts of gaming communication and content consumption, but this will not be an all-day device. Now, to be honest, I did expect this for two reasons. Number one, of course, Tim Cook has been pretty vocal about the excessive phone usage amongst users right now. He believes technology should be serving humanity and not the other way around, and he's not a fan of the endless, mindless scrolling a lot of us, including myself, have done in the past. And so to get lost in a virtual world and forget completely about reality is, of course, something Tim is not going to like. But also the second reason is, of course, long periods of this tech could cause headaches for some users. In fact, I've had many complain about getting nauseous when using something like an Oculus Quest. And so, of course, being within a virtual world 24/7 is just not going to be possible for some users. Now, yes, I'm sure that Apple's working on their own tech that could eliminate the headache and the nausea, but either way, being within a virtual world 24/7 is just not going to be possible for some users. So yes, I'm very much on board with Apple on this, but of course, a device that's used in short bursts that's going to start at $3,000 is going to be a very tough sell. And so I do very much hope Apple does release cheaper headsets in the coming years, because I myself am looking forward to this headset but can't pay the high asking price. Anyways, tell me in the comments below, if you were to buy a headset, would you use it for a metaverse, or are you going to use it for short activities? Anyways, thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. Check out the video in the card above on details regarding the iPad Air 5, and on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya, peeps.